Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Celebrating 50 years with the legendary Ernie Smith, the concert dubbed Solid Gold, delivering solid sets that paid homage to Ernie Smith. The audience treated to spectacular performances.
No matter if you're teeth or if you're dread, or if you have a crown on your head, no matter if you have no heart at all, no heart sing it. Jesus bring love for one and all. Sing it, children. I for Jesus he was born to be a bad boy. So them said, but if somebody didn't do it right, it would be a lie to give.
You're gonna find that you're ruined, cause you can work all day and play all night.
On a Sunday morning sidewalk, wishing, Lord, that I was stoned, cause there's something in a Sunday.
Don't tie me down. Don't doubt me now. I'm on your side. When I lose, I'm on your side. No matter what you do.
Ah, Peter, Peter, coming down on my road, coming down. From me and my baby's holding tight.
You say, hail the man, that's my brother on the street. You say, hail the man, every time we meet.
The evening definitely belonged to Ernie Smith, who captivated his supporters with memorable hits from his timeless catalogue.
And the beer till he killed poor Sammy. Sammy dead, Sammy dead. The damn no game get hot when she stepped through the door. There was a real key cat, fit from any end at the board.
I am proud to have been associated with this really great career. Ernie is a prolific songwriter. He has an awesome voice and he has a great presence on stage. He's a real showman.
International recording artist Sean Paul is the bearer of good news. The artist paid a visit to incarcerated reggae artist Buju Banton at the McRae Correctional Facility in Atlanta.
Today I went to check Buju Banton, the great legend. He's in great spirits. And I'm going to tell everybody, say, 12-month time, and we can expect greatness again.
Buju Banton's 10-year prison sentence was reduced by 2 months in January of 2016. The Gargamel is to be released on December 8, 2018, according to the U.S. Federal Bureau of Prison website. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you so much for watching.